Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing Adobe Acrobat error code 21480739494 while trying to digitally sign a document? This common issue can cause quite a headache, but fear not. There are solutions at hand that can help you bypass this pesky problem. Firstly, this error often occurs when your digital signature ID is outdated. So, one way to rectify this issue is by replacing your digital ID. If you're using Internet Explorer or haven't updated to the latest Microsoft Edge version, this might be the perfect solution for you. To replace an expired digital ID with a new one, follow a simple guide on creating a new digital ID using Adobe Acrobat. This process is straightforward and can assist in resolving the error. Now, if replacing the digital ID doesn't do the trick, it might be time to look at the Adobe Acrobat app itself. Sometimes the root cause of the error is simply an outdated app. It's always good practice to keep your software up to date. Regularly updating Adobe Acrobat can help avoid this error and improve the overall performance of the app. So in summary, to overcome the Adobe Acrobat error code 21480739494, there are two main steps to consider: replacing your outdated digital ID or updating the Adobe Acrobat app. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.